BigCommerce offers a revolutionary new theme platform, Stencil, to help store owners build beautiful, responsive storefronts to captivate their shoppers. Stencil will enable you to create a dynamic and engaging storefront. It's the only hosted solution to offer flexible, local theme development that allows your developer to use your storefront assets without disrupting your live store. To start browsing the theme marketplace, go to Storefront Design, then Theme Marketplace. Here you'll have access to Stencil themes that incorporate the latest best practices in technology, design standards, conversion, and SEO. Within the marketplace, you can browse both free and paid themes and filter by industry to find a theme targeted to your business. Premium themes will have the price of each theme listed below it. To learn more about a theme, click its thumbnail. Each theme comes with different variations that can be applied in the Theme Editor. Scroll down and you'll see a list of features and links to support for this theme. You can see a demo by clicking on View Demo. If you want to see how your store will look with the new theme prior to purchasing, click this button. The Theme Editor will open with a preview of the theme applied to your store. You can make adjustments on the preview to change the look and feel of the theme. If you like how it looks and want to purchase it, click the Buy button in the lower right corner. Once you purchase a theme, you can choose to apply it now or later. Every theme gives you access to the Theme Editor, so you can adjust it to fit your store's unique brand. When you're ready, buy or apply a theme. To see which theme you're currently using, click on My Themes. You can see this store is using Cornerstone Light. If you're interested in adjusting your theme, like changing colors or fonts, click the Customize button. Theme details will go back to the Themes page in the Marketplace. The Advanced tab will allow you to download your theme's files for a developer to make edits. To learn more about editing Stencil theme files, click here. Click Customize to open the Theme Editor. Here you can customize and manage storefront attributes such as colors, fonts, and numbers of items displayed with no coding required. To the left you'll see the Style Customization panel. Since every theme is different, this customization panel will vary depending on the theme you have selected. To the right is the Preview panel. This will allow for you to spot check your store's design so you can review the changes you have made. You may have different variations to choose from under the Styles tab in the Customization panel. If you click on the bold style of the Cornerstone theme, you'll see the preview panel to the right has changed. You'll always know which variation you're currently on by looking for the small check mark in the thumbnail. Let's make a few edits. Below Styles, you'll see more panels. For example, you can choose to adjust button colors, enter the hex code, or use the color picker by clicking on the swatch and selecting your color. The carousel button will update in the preview panel. A common request is how to change the color of my header title or store name. You'll want to expand your header panel. Now remember, depending on what theme you're using, this panel may show in a different menu or be in a different order. The very first option, Store Name Text Color, will control your header title. If you know the 6-digit hex code of the color you'd like to use, you can enter it into this field. Remember to use the number sign at the beginning of your hex code. If you adjust anything in your customization panel, these changes will not go live in your storefront until you click Apply Theme. If you're in the middle of customizing your store and you have to stop for any reason, just click the Save Changes button to save your work until you come back later. You can also go back to an earlier edit by choosing a previously applied session under History in the Customization panel, or you can reset your current edits and get back to the default design by clicking on View Original Theme Settings. Another great feature of the Theme Editor is the responsive views you can test out at the bottom of the page. You can click on the small mobile icon and see your storefront in mobile view. Move over to the tablet icon and see your store in tablet view. If you click on the device again, it will change the orientation of the preview. Make sure you save your changes along the way and hit Apply Theme when you are ready for the changes to show on your storefront. You can build a stunning storefront to engage your shoppers and encourage more checkouts across any device. If you need support with your particular theme, contact the developer of your theme. If you need help adjusting your design, the BigCommerce community is a great resource. To continue to learn more about storefront design, watch our video on carousel and design options.